Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a rock, paper, scissors game in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a simple rock, paper, scissors game in Python. This game is a classic hand game usually played between two people, where each player simultaneously forms one of three shapes with their hand. The possible shapes are rock, paper, and scissors, and the winner is determined by the rules: rock crushes scissors, scissors cuts paper, and paper covers rock. Let's get started with the code. Explanation. Get_user_choice. Get_computer_choice. Determine_winner, user_choice, computer_choice. Play_game. Name == main. To play the game, run the script and follow the instructions. Enjoy your rock, paper, scissors game in Python. ChatGPT.